Hello. Welcome to our channel, my friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold and silver for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And as we all know, gold is crazy bullish. The weekly closing was very important, and yes, we got the weekly closing below 5,000. As we all know, 5,000 is a crucial level for gold. A weekly closing above 5,000 would have been crazy because weekly closing above 5,000 would have indicated that market is unstoppable, gold is unstoppable, and maybe the next target is 5,200, 5,500. But yes, a weekly closing below 5,000 indicated that we have still some sellers present around the 5,000 area. Yesterday or in a previous video, we discussed about the possibility of profit booking, and yes, the profit booking, little bit of profit booking came on gold, and gold made a low of 4900. After that, it recovered as well and ultimately closed just below the 5,000, around 4988, 4987 area. So this is the last trading price. So what does it indicate? My dear friends, keep in mind, profit booking or retracement is a different thing and trend reversal is a different thing here. And right now, we do not have any indication for trend reversal. If you are waiting for a sell opportunity, then still this is not the right time. For example, on Monday, if market comes down also, it will be a temporary move. Yes, it will be a temporary move. That move is not going to last for a couple of weeks and months because fundamentals decide. Here, the fundamentals, are helping gold to climb up and up. That's why there is no stopping. Okay, if things change in the next few days or few weeks, then we can expect gold to come down a little bit. But as of now, gold is bullish, and we need to plan our trades accordingly. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold races towards 5,000 as silver hits a record $100 level. Gold is approaching 5,000, and unavoidable uncertainty means it could go higher. It means that things have not settled yet. Though gold has closed below 5,000, but there is a possibility that market may go higher. So, my dear friends, stay in touch with the news. For example, during the weekend, if any news comes out, okay, just like previous week, then we will have a gap up opening and 5,000 will have no say because those days are gone when we used to have silent market openings. Nowadays, we see that a news comes out during the weekend and boom, gold flies, gold goes for gap up opening. So here also there is a possibility that market may open gap up. If it happens, then obviously you may see market going up and up. Okay, that's it. And following the trend of the market is still the best solution here. Okay, if you're a positional trader or swing trader, yes, you may need to book some profits here because if a profit booking comes around 5,000, okay, then okay, it will be better for you to book some profits. Okay, but if you're a swing trader or position trader, then yes, this profit booking will give you another opportunity to enter again because buy at dip is the best trading strategy, isn't it? Especially in a bullish market like this. If we look at the daily chart of gold, then obviously daily chart of gold, market is standing at the top, and to be honest, it doesn't make any sense here. Okay, talking about the daily chart and all, because see, technically, obviously, a retracement is due for a long time. But if market is not coming down due to global reasons, then we cannot help it. So it just wastes of time here talking about okay retracements or not retrace. Okay, talking about reversal market. Okay, coming down to 450, 4600. When fundamentals okay will decide that no, it's time to go down, then market will come down. Otherwise, technically, there is a moving average, there is a gap of FVG. Okay, fuck, it doesn't matter at all. Okay, because you need to understand the fundamentals are the main reasons behind any direction. Okay, so here, though gold is super bullish right now, though we have a retracement due, God knows when it will come. So let's not waste time and discuss about them. Okay, so if you have any ongoing buy position on gold right now, you can hold your buy position, but it will be better for you to book some profit here because a big profit booking may come around 5,000 level. Okay, if market opens gap up, okay, then obviously you will not get chance to exit and you can continue with your buy position. But if market goes for a normal market opening, just like it used to give us those silent openings, then you can look for a buy around 4960, 4950. This may be a position where you can look for a buy position. This may be a level where you can look for buy position. Yeah. This is not a major support, but this is a level where market bounced last time. So if the volume is low on Monday, see, there used to be a time when we used to have low volume on Monday. So if volume is low on Monday, then 4960, 4950 is the first support where we can look for a buy position. Okay. And if anything crazy happens, then 4900, 4900 is still there. But at the opening, chances of market coming down to 4900 is less. So if volume is low, we can look for buy around 4960, 4950. Okay, and as we all know, okay, 4990 to 5000 is a crucial level. So right at the market opening, I will not suggest any buy at breakout because that can be a trap also. But if you want, if you see that there is a big news during the weekend, then obviously we can look for buy at breakout above 5000 level. Okay, not above 4900. Okay, it will be better and safer for us to buy above 5000, not below 5000. Okay, so stay in touch with the news. Nothing much to discuss here. If a profit booking comes, if you want to take a sell position, it's up to you. Personally, I'm not going to take it. Already have declared yesterday also. Okay, but if you want to take, it's up to you. But as the trend of the market is still very much bullish, okay, then still I'll suggest you to go with buy at dip if volume is low. Okay, market opening will be decisive for us here. If volume is low, if you see market is coming down with small candles, 4960, 4950 is the first level where you can look for a buy position. If volume is high, then we can look for a buy around 4900. After hitting 5000 level, okay, after hitting 5000 level, if you see the market is dropping suddenly, it may happen because we have seen earlier also. So in that case, you can look for a sell position, but you need to exit quickly. Okay, and if news comes out, then obviously profit booking may not come and you can look for a buy above 5000. So the market opening will decide everything. Though market has closed below 5000 level, but chances are very high that we will see gold above 5000 next week. Okay, now let's talk about silver. Silver closed around 103.40. To be honest, nothing much to talk here because silver has just uh, stopped at the record high or closed at a record high here. Okay, so obviously, if you have ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position because the trend is very much bullish here. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously, okay, you do not have any breakout opportunity here because already market is at the high here. So you need to wait for the market to come down. So here in this case, you can look for a buy around 101.30. The first dotted line here that you see, okay, the previous resistance will be working as support here. If silver shows retracement on Monday, we can look for a buy around 101.30. Okay, if market comes for deeper retracement, then we can also look for support around 100 area as well. Why 100? Because 100 is a round number. It's going to act as a psychological level. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy on silver if market comes for retracement. But if market doesn't come to 101 or 100 level, okay, then what we can do, then you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait for silver to consolidate. So when market will consolidate for 1 or 2 hours, because see, at one point there will, see, I'm not saying that market will have to come down, it may not come down, but there will be consolidation. Okay, so when there will be some consolidation, at least for 1 or 2, एक दो घंटे के लिए जब भी होगा, okay, market will form a range here. So when market will form a range, just draw a line at the top, and when market will break the range, you can buy it breakout. That's it. Okay, this is the only strategy that I see on silver right now. Okay, and as we have already discussed for gold, you need to be a little bit careful because around 5000 area we may see some temporary profit booking. Okay, it may give you another opportunity to buy again at dip, but let's wait for the market to open. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And if market opens above 5,000, then obviously it will be bullish. Okay, and if market crosses 5,000, we can look for buy and breakout. That's it. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.